breakfast. We're getting one of these from this place here in Akihabara near our hotel. Pookie got this eggy thing. I guess it's a kind of French toast. Mine is the thing on the sign, so we'll check that out. It looks tasty. Okay, I'm gonna try this thing. Take it to the center yet.
Very good.
Still let me get to the center. Oh, no, I think I got the wrong one. But it's still good. It's nice and crispy and tasty, and it tastes like a croissant, so I'm happy. This one's the custard one, which all things custard in Japanese is pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, this one's better than the one I had last night. It's good. That is where I'm going to get my meat cake. You'll see what I mean later. Our GoPro ate some of our footage, so unfortunately we lost a lot of video. But we were able to capture some stills, so sorry this video is going to have so many stills in it, but it was the best we could do. So thanks, and I hope you enjoy. I got my first gachapon, and what this is a Japanese school thing that they buy. They're very expensive. They're like $250, and they get them when they first start school, and then they use them pretty much the whole time they're in school. So whatever one you pick out, you better hope you like it, because this is the one that I got. So there they are, the creepy vending machine area. So we are in Akihabara, just outside of it maybe, across the Kanda River, and we found these really strange vending machines. I'm sure we'll annoy the locals who have to walk by these things every day and don't think anything of it. Anything weird in it? Pookie's gonna get something from the vending. Then we're gonna check out the other stuff. There's some Hello Kitty water. I don't know what those are. They look like medicine. You can walk in here and it's like a maze. And then they have these weird boxes. We can't really read them, so I'm not gonna buy one. We won't know what they say. Why is that one full of money? It's like candy money. Got more boxes. If you need some bells or bugs, this vending machine's got you hooked up. Jellies. Got more of those boxes. They have stories on them, really weird stories. And there's a can of Odin. It's a type of winter soup, I believe. Plastic ball. Sorry, my reflection's getting in the way. So this part here is a little bit creepy. More of the boxes.
Would it really fit in here?
Oh look. I think this vending machine's new. I guess you need balls for the apocalypse. I would like to get some popcorn, but we're going to the Pokemon Cafe right now. Maybe on the way back if we pass it again. So this place is pretty weird. Hey, hello. I'm I'm gonna have to try and translate whatever this says. I wonder why it's got so many bowls in here right now. Because it changes. What's in here changes all the time. Different people come here and find weirder and weirder things. Hopefully you can electrocute it. What is that? Like a decoration? More bugs? Little toy. I don't think you can buy that though. He's just hanging in there. More popcorn. Oh look, we get our picture taken. And I don't know what these are. I should get a train for my dad from this vending machine. Maybe I'll get it later. I don't want to have to carry it all day. In Akihabara, you're going to find crane games everywhere. There's Sega, Taito, other ones that we're not familiar with, and they are so much fun. You have to try it. I haven't been recording a whole lot because a lot of places don't like it if you record inside. We went to Sega and Taito, and here's our winnings so far. We got this zombie cat, and he's got a cute butt. And then we got this other zombie cat, also has a cute butt. And this cat, he jiggles. And you turn him on, he vibrates. So he's cute. And this spooky one, this little bug. And we also got this Mimikyu towel, or tiny blanket. I'm not sure which yet, because I have to open it still. Don't forget to just wander around and explore. You don't know what you'll find. We found all kinds of things we missed the first time that we went to Akihabara. Like a building that was full of 9 floors of anime figures and stuff. So you definitely want to just roam around and pick random places, no matter how intimidated you feel, and check it out. If you haven't been, definitely check out Super Potato. You're definitely going to find everything in gaming you were ever looking for, especially if it was Japanese, except maybe Xbox, not as much of that. But yes, go there and you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. There'll be more Japan, Tokyo videos coming, and some of them will be like the Pokemon Cafe and other places like that. So please come back. I'll definitely be making more. See you later. Mata ne!